Alright, today I'm going to be changing the oil on this. It's got over 10,000 kilometers on it. And yeah, I have 520 in it right now, and I'm going to be putting 530 in it. So I'm going to drive the front on ramps, I'm going to drain the old fluid out, and then it's going to be replaced with 530 and a new filter. Alright, of course I'm going to be putting in full synthetic. That's the only oil you want to put in it, that's for sure. Especially if you're going to be going to 10,000 or more. Alright, I'm going to drive the front of the truck up on ramps, then go under it and drain it. Alright, we're underneath here and I'm going to drain the pan. Alright, I'm going to let this drain for a little bit. Okay, I lubricated this O-ring. Now I'm going to put the new filter in. Alright, I got the new filter in place and wiped off. Top of the steering rack gets soaked. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive it and let the MDS turn on and show you guys that it will work fine. Everything's good and it sounds nice and smooth. Alright, so I drove it for a little bit and it goes in and out of MDS fine. There's no issues with the MDS.